In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on this Dodge Grand Caravan. It's located right behind the glove box, so let's get started. Open up the glove box, and I recommend emptying it out because we will have to tip it forward quite a bit, so if there's stuff in here, it's all going to fall out. Next, pull in on each side and pop it past the retainer area here. Basically swing it down a little bit extra. Now we have to remove the damper so that we can open this glove box even further. To do this, this entire black hook will slide forward and out. Now you can let go of this, and as soon as you do that, the glove box can slide open all the way. In here you'll see this door, which is what covers the cabin air filter. Pry the tabs, there's one on each side. This should allow this to pop off. This is actually in really bad shape here, so I'm going to use a vacuum everything up as I pull the cabin air filter out. Not only because there's a whole lot of debris here and I don't want to get the interior dirty, but also the blower motor sits right underneath. And if you get debris in there, worst case scenario, it can damage the blower motor, and best case scenario, it comes shooting out through the vents. Either way, you want to avoid both of those possibilities, so let's get the vacuum and clean all that up. Now with everything cleaned up, make sure that your new air filter gets installed in the right direction. As you can see, it does have an airflow. The airflow goes down, so from top to bottom, the blower motor's on the bottom and it pulls air from the top. Keep in mind in which direction the old one came out. The pleats were going sideways, not front to back. Slide it in. There we go. If you put it the wrong way, well, it pretty much won't fit. So that's how you know. Let's cover it up with this cover. Press it into place and make sure it's secured. Lift the glove box compartment back up. Now let's reconnect the damper, pull it out, hold it, and just try to slide it onto the glove box all at the same time. There we go. That's seated. And now pry the sides in. And close the glove box. There you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.